Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. Oh boy, I've been struggling lately, but I have something brand new for you. I just got this off of Amazon. It was $19.95 on sale as of this recording. It's a AM FM NOAA weather emergency radio, and it's digital, as you can see from the big display there. It's sold by this company. I won't attempt to pronounce it. And you can get that off of Amazon. It says it has an AM FM radio, and it does have NOAA, SOS alarm, a bottle opener, bottle opener, digital display, LED flashlight, and a built-in 2000 milliamp hour power pack. You can also run it on 3 AAA batteries. Comes with this charging cord, your standard USB charging cord, a little user's manual, which is adequate. So we're going to show it to you. Get this out of the way. We'll bring it up close. I'll give you a close-up look, and hopefully my camera will, there we go. You can see it's on right now. Has several indicators over here. The top one will turn red when you're charging, and when it's fully charged, blinking, and when it's fully charged, it'll be solid red. And next one tells you that you've locked onto a station, and then, we've got several other things here for information. And my camera keeps going out of focus. Plus, I got lots of reflection. So here is the alarm button right here at the top. That's used for setting up the NOAA weather alarm system, so that when NOAA puts out the signal that's an alarm, this thing will start beeping and tell you something going bad on the weather. Let me see if I can do something here to get it to stay in focus, because I'm moving around too much. Let me get the camera down, and we'll hold it here. That way, we got reflections. There. So over here, we have the tuning button. There's no knobs at all. So this is tune up, tune down, and if you push and hold, it will seek. It has no memories. Down here is to turn it on and off. Over here is volume up and down. And down here is the band selection. Push that right now. There's the NOAA weather. There's FM. And there's AM. Okay. Over here, we have a little port there so you can strap it to your belt or purse or whatever. And believe it or not, there's the bottle opener. Here is the port. It's covered right now, and my camera, of course, is out of focus. For charging it, plugging in your USB to charge it, and this internal battery will provide power to charge your cell phone, for instance, and it has earphone jack. And this little flap here, I broke it. When I first opened it to put the charger in, cable in, it's got, in this corner right here, it's got a little thing that sticks out, and it sticks into the chassis that helps us from falling away. Well, somehow, and I didn't pull it hard, somehow I pulled it out. Now, maybe it wasn't completely inserted because I had a difficult time getting it back in. Well, that's the story on that one. Okay, back here we have the crank for charging the internal battery via crank. Down here we have, this is the battery compartment for the AAA batteries, and this is the battery compartment for the built-in battery, which is 2,000 milliamp hours. I haven't taken this apart to see what kind of battery it is yet. I'm thinking it's an 18650. On this side, we have the light, which is very, very bright. I'm not going to turn it on. I don't want to hurt anybody's eyes. Solar charger right here. Not very efficient because small. Short telescopic antenna, maybe 24 inches. This is the button to turn the light on. See, I'll face away from the camera and I'll turn it on. Whoa, see how bright it is? Wow, it's bright. So let's tune a little bit. I'll turn or put the telescopic antenna up. Although it's small, I am in my office. Very bright display, big letters, easy to read. Up here is the volume level. Down here is band. Over here is the battery condition. And then down here it just tells you the units of frequency, kilohertz, megahertz. So we're on the AM band, so we can use this up and down button to tune. And most likely in AM, it'll want to receive this way. So I'm going to tune it facing this way, and I'll turn the volume up. And we'll just push this real quickly. Just get it moved one step.
Occasions, you know, or even maybe.
So there's the station.
But he drives it every day.
Turn the volume down.
Everywhere. I mean, picks up his kids on it, and he drives.
Yeah, it didn't like.
Really hard on it.
It likes that. Okay. So now we'll push and hold up and let it find the next station itself.
Election of 2020
there it is.
Contributed to the Democratic
It's doing pretty good here in my office.
So the whole chamber.
And make sure you tell them Ryan Gorman sent you.
Yeah, it likes this direction. Get a liar out of me. So it's doing okay. Again, I'm in my office, lots of electronics interfering. Plenty of volume. Little tinny.
Produces a behavior or a specific.
So that's the AM band. We'll go to FM.
Books. Oh, stop sniffing books. All right, I'm glad to see you're more like my grandpa.
And we'll let it seek.
We need to spell.
Find stations.
This was done in the case of the Biden.
Doing good.
This was done.
0.1 and 92 point.
Now at Haverty's.
So it's doing good.
Relaxants, watch out for the big one, 75.
You have to remember,
The original My Slippers
get your finger off of it.
They're made with the same great patented technology, and yes, yes.
Okay, now it's going back to the beginning of the band. There's where how you manually, and it does mute when tuned, of course, because it is probably a DSP receiver. And we'll try NOAA. Usually I can get, that's not NOAA. Usually I can get one NOAA station on most radios, and a very good radio with an outside antenna, I can get 3 of the 7 stations, 7 frequencies. So let's see what it finds. Okay, there's the one I usually get. Turn the volume up.
Late this morning and afternoon. See 6 to 8 feet.
Oop, let's go back down.
3 a.m. and sun.
Yeah, there's 2.
5:55 p.m.
Starting over.
See 7.
So I got 2 out of the 3. That's not bad. Again, in my office. So what we're going to do is we're going to test the crank charge. So we'll run the battery down, and then we'll do my infamous crank of 5 minutes of charging by doing 1 minute and resting my hand, doing another minute, resting my hand, and eventually have 5 minutes of cranking, and then see how long it plays. Then we'll drain the battery and we'll put it in the window where I've got some sunlight coming in and let it charge it. Usually let it charge for 4 hours if I've got full sunlight. It's very variable. And then we'll also test fully charging with the external cable, the batteries again, and then see how long it plays with the batteries fully charged, the internal battery. And then I will also open up that little cabinet where the battery is stored and let you know what battery it is. That's it. Again, right now, this is on sale for $19.95 AM, FM, NOAA weather. I think it's a pretty good emergency radio. Pretty good. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.